Hi, John McKinnon here at IFCEE 2024 in Dallas, Texas at the Numa Hammer booth. Standing here with Neil Kushevsky. Neil, got a question for you. Kind of new to anchoring, micropiling. How do I know what kind of tool to use, like when to use a hammer?
Well, John, it's a difficult choice to make on the tooling for what you need to do a successful micropile or anchor pile. There are a lot of variables that come into play, and the first one is the actual drilling rig or drill attachment that's necessary to drill the piles. The decision has to be made based on the size of the micro piles or anchor piles that you're going to drill so that you can incorporate the proper drill rig into that. The second phase that we look at is the actual tooling itself. Are you going to drill with a super jaws overburden drilling system that takes the casing down as you drill through the overburden and then sets it into bedrock? Are you going to use a ring bit system that also does the same thing but has different characteristics? Or can you drill it with a standard conventional down the hole hammer and a drill bit? So there's several factors that come into play when making that decision.
And now I've chosen a hammer. How do I know what kind of air or how much air to put to that hammer?
All downhole hammers need air to operate. Pressure is very important, and the CFM that's needed to supply that air to the hammer to make it run efficiently is very important. The second phase of that is also being able to use that air to evacuate the cuttings from the borehole. So you need air to operate the hammer at an efficient operating pressure, as well as using that air to then evacuate the cuttings and the air out of the hole. Numa actually prides ourselves on having a great staff of people, whether they're the salespeople who have actually done drilling over their careers, so they know our tooling, they know the applications that the tools are going to be put into, and we've got a fantastic technical field people that can go out to your job site and help with that.
Well, thank you, Neil, and thanks for participating in the Hard Hat Cam.
All right, well, thanks for having us, John.
Great.
Appreciate it. Enjoy the show.